Welcome to another episode of the Milano Cooking Show. Today, again, we're doing something simple. It's a Mexican lasagna. Look at this. Easy, simple, delicious. I used some of the leftovers that I had in the fridge and whipped this little baby up. So I hope you enjoy it. Watch. Stay tuned. We're going to start off with, we're going to do a little oil in the pan. All right, and we're going to put in some onion. We're going to let this cook up a bit. And after the onion, we're going to add in some chopped red pepper. So all the ingredients are going to be down below. And you can vary it. It's just kind of a base for doing this, but I love it because you can add pretty much almost anything in here. You can even add in mushrooms, whatever. Getting the onion going until it's fragrant. That's kind of a general rule of thumb. For me, at least, in my kitchen. So now we have some chopped red peppers we're going to add in. So once these are going to be soft enough, we're going to be adding in the ground beef. But doesn't that look beautiful? I just love it. Let that go a couple more minutes longer. But first, put that meat in and get it going. So we're going to brown all of this, and then we're going to put it in a pan and just pop it in the oven for about 35-40 minutes. Alrighty, so this is looking real good. It's browning nicely. There's no pink that I can see. And we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're going to mix that up. I'm going to add in a little bit of water just to moisten it up a bit. Now we're going to take our corn. We're going to mix that in. We're going to add in a little bit of taco seasoning. I'm not going to add in the whole packet. I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to add in some of the chilies. Depending on spice, you don't want it to be too spicy for the kids, but you want to have a little something. So get that mixed up. And then we're going to layer this into our casserole. I'm going to shut this off. Okay, so our pan is now ready with our lovely enchilada mix. I'm going to take some of the red enchilada sauce and I'm going to put it on the bottom. I'm going to take some additional enchilada sauce and I'm going to pour it in the mix. We're going to take our tortillas, and again, I'm cleaning out the fridge. I made tacos, and I don't like to leave them in the fridge too long because they get very brittle. So we're going to lay these down. It's our first layer. And don't worry, they can overlap. We're going to take a little bit of refried beans. I'm going to mix these up a little bit more. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spread them. Looking good. All right, now we're going to spread some of our beef mixture over this. And meanwhile, I do have the oven that is pre-cooking, so make sure oven on. Preheat. Okay, now what we're going to do is take some of our cheese. I'm going to sprinkle that over. Don't be cheap with the cheese. Okay, now we're going to go back and we are going to layer. Okay, lovely. Now we're going to put more of our meat. I'm just going to dump it all on there. I'm going to add in a little bit more of the chilies. Just sprinkle a little on top. Alrighty, now we're going to take some more cheese. I'll add in more enchilada sauce. And then I'm going to top it with more cheese. If you're going to go for it, you might as well just go for the gusto. And then we are going to pop it in the oven. I'm going to cover it with foil in the beginning, and then I'm going to remove the foil. Possibly, we'll see how it goes. I'll play it by ear. But we're going to put this in the oven once again, and we'll be back in about 35 minutes. All right, guys, so I took everything out of the oven. Take a peek, it's down here. Gorgeous. I did cover it for about 20 or so minutes, and then I took off the cover. Wow. Oh, that looks lovely. Oh my gosh. Let's do this. Let's put on some chips. Okay, let's do a little guacamole on top. Maybe a little dab of sour cream. Let's put a little salsa verde. And we're gonna put on a little cilantro. And look at this delightful meal. Okay, this is Mexican lasagna, super duper simple. The recipe's down below. Tell me how you love it. Give me your thoughts and opinions, and send me your recipes. We'll see you possibly in the showroom, or we'll definitely see you in the next episode of the Milano Cooking Show. We'll see you then.